Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the latest YEMO Y8 active noise cancelling wireless headphones. These are Bluetooth 5.0 headphones, looking really good. They come with a playtime of about 30 hours. And yeah, here we have some information. I zoom in a little bit. Active noise cancelling, there's even a button for that on the headset. Then we see, yeah, wireless hands-free calling up to 30 hours, Type-C charging port. So here's some more specifications if you're interested into that. Battery capacity 600 milliamp hour, so quite huge. Yeah, here active noise cancelling. Yeah, you can read everything if you pause that. Here as well on the back side, folding the side, built-in HD microphone. I'm going to test that and let you know. I will play that. I will make a phone call if that's possible, and I'm going to play that at the end of this video. So it should be compatible with smartphone, tablet, PC, of course. It has even an airplane adapter. Sometimes they have this strange dual airplane adapters. It has also a 3.5 millimeter audio cable, so you are not depending on Bluetooth. Sometimes Bluetooth is nice as long as it works. Sometimes it doesn't work, or you don't have any power, you don't have any charge anymore, and you just want to listen with 3.5 millimeters. You can do that. So there are so many options with that, and I see more and more young people coming with these headphones. I thought, yeah, this type is gone. It was really popular for some time, then it went away. Everybody came with these AirPods, small things. Now everybody is again around with these huge headphones. Even at the gym, I see these people, more and more young people coming with the large headphones. Must be really popular. So I thought, yeah, I'll give it a try. And of course, before we use it, it's highly recommended to fully charge it. So we can use the micro USB cable here from the power bank, and we have this steady white light. That means it is charging. When it's fully charged, the light will turn off. So the box was really hard to open. I don't like these boxes where you don't have anything to grab, but yeah, it took me almost a minute to open that. But at least inside we get this nice travel bag. That's really nice. And we get some information. Yeah, Amazon gift card. I have no idea what that is. Yeah, leave a review and then get a gift card. Yeah, that's it is as it is. You can do that. I don't know. I cannot guarantee if that really works. Here we have the short information. Hope it's focusing more or less. I'm going to show you that if you're interested into that. Maybe you bought it like used and you don't get the manual, or you want to make a better buy decision now and get all the information. Hope you can see everything. It's a little bit mirroring, and yeah, I don't know if it's really nicely focusing. Hope you can see that. Just go on 1080p for sure, and then pause the video. So I leave it like this for a few seconds, and of course you better pause this for a while so you have plenty of time to read it. Hope there is some kind of contact information. Haven't seen it so far, but shouldn't be too difficult. It's Bluetooth 5.0, and yeah, it should be possible to connect to almost everything with Bluetooth. So let's take it out of the box and see. So here we get all the accessories. Okay, that's the charging cable, I guess. Let's see, should be USB-C. Yes, definitely can confirm that USB-C charging cable. And here, of course, that's the normal 3.5 millimeter cable, which you can use directly. Yeah, I hope you can see that, which you can use directly from, let's say, mobile phone or computer to this headset. And yeah, or if you want to use that or need to use that in a plane, that's awesome. This is really rare. I haven't seen that in any kind of headset which I've already bought. And yeah, here we have the thing. So really nice foldable design and flexible. Looks like we can use it even for larger heads. Maybe it could be a little bit uncomfortable for larger heads because it has quite some tension here. Here you can see you can increase the size a little bit, not too much. I hope it will still fit for larger heads. I mean, the material looks really nice. Most of this is metal, I think. Yeah. So looks quite sturdy and definitely beautiful. Here we have the charging adapter, and I guess here we have all the controls like on, off, noise cancelling, volume up, down, next track, previous track. We can also start, stop, play, or make phone calls here, and the 3.5 millimeter jack, and that's probably gonna be the microphone which I'm going to test. Yeah, looks like we have it on both sides, at least could be that we have the microphone on both sides. So it doesn't look too big, but I'm going to test this now, how comfortable this is. I mean, I have a rather large head size, and I'll let you know how this works, how good the communication is, connection, if it's stable, if we have interruptions, and of course definitely how the voice recording is. So the headset should be fully charged now because the light went off. Took quite some time. I think it was charging for about 4 or 5 hours, something like that. Yeah, I haven't checked the charging time so far, was a little bit long, so I'll check on that. So I grabbed the USB meter now, and yeah, I see it's charging about 0.2 amps on this thing. Maybe I was using the wrong adapter, or I don't know what's the problem is. Yeah, it's a little bit slow, 0. Not even 0.2. Doesn't make any difference with the jack. So yeah, with 600 or 700 milliamp hours, so it could easily take up to maybe 4 hours or so. So this is what probably happened to me. So it seems like I got it totally discharged. As long as it was not too long, shouldn't be a problem, but it's really slow charging, so you have to be aware of that it's probably best to charge it overnight. Don't expect really fast charge with this headset. But anyway, it's now fully charged, and we turn it on here. Yeah, it says pairing, and let's check on that. We get some kind of indication how it should be named. That's the V9D. So let's check on V9D here. Yeah, so it took a couple of seconds. Maybe I had to wait, yeah, maybe 20 seconds or so. And now it's pairing. Also takes some time, but it's a one-time process, so I don't mind about that. It says something again, and it says connected battery 100% active Yeah, no, you don't want to disconnect, of course. Yeah, 100% active. So it looks like there's the only way to check the charge here on the Bluetooth settings of the phone. Now I'm going to listen to the sound. So I'm back here after testing with the mobile phone and also testing with the PC. So connecting was super easy on both devices. I mean, for the mobile phone here and also for the PC. On the PC with Windows 10 it was even faster. So I started the Bluetooth and it was actually already there, and I connected and it was everything available, like the sound and microphone. And I was listening to one YouTube video for quite some time, and it had zero interruptions, no lags, no nothing. And my Bluetooth is can be a little bit stubborn, and I had some problems with other devices, nothing with that. So absolutely stable connection all the time, no interruptions, no nothing, which is a really good thing. So regarding connecting, everything worked pretty well. I also stopped, I mean, I turned it off and turned it on again, and I had my PC running, I had my phone running, and it reconnected to both devices almost instantly. So when you turn it on, it goes always back into like pairing mode or reconnecting mode, and wherever you are connected it will reconnect almost instantly, and that's good. So you don't have to use some kind of special pairing mode. It when you turn it on, it will always go into pairing and reconnecting, which is a really helpful thing. So regarding the buttons here, yeah, I mean, they are pretty small. They can be a little bit difficult to find. And yeah, I had a hard time. I mean, it's always difficult when you have a new headset like this and you have to get used to that. But I think after some time you will find out how to find it. I mean, they are quite like a little bit higher, so you can really feel them, which is helpful. The problem is just yeah, they are all a little bit different. They are not the same style. This one you have to pull down, this one up. I mean, yeah, depending on your needs. This for the volume and track forward and back, you have to push in, and this one is to start and stop, also to push. Yeah, so they are a little bit different, and yeah, but you will get used to that. What's really good with these buttons, I have used mainly the volume up and down, which is long press here. Volume up is, I think it was on the upper side, which is good, and volume down on the lower side. And the really good thing, which I really like and I highly appreciate, is that it was not confirmed by any annoying noise. So a lot of cheap Chinese manufacturers, they tend to add all these crazy sounds, these really annoying, very loud beeping that your ear will almost be damaged when you change the volume. Here, nothing. You can keep pressing here and the volume goes slowly up, and you keep pressing and it goes slowly down. No interference, no crazy beep, no nothing. There are some voice indications like connecting, some announcement maybe for low battery as well, but they are really nice made, really comfortable, nothing really loud which is annoying and almost hurts your ears. So that's very well done. Also, the sound quality, unfortunately, I cannot play you the sound. I mean, I had to listen to myself, and I'm listening a lot to such headsets, and I would say it is slightly above average. They are not the very best, but they really have a decent bass sound. I was listening to, on YouTube here you can find some of these deep bass sound tests. I recommend to do that if you buy them, and that sounds really, really awesome. So you can really imagine that it's possible to hear this really deep bass sound, which is good. There were maybe one or two other pairs which had even better bass sound, but it's really above average, I would say. So really good. Regarding passive noise cancelling, they were not the very best, but they have a really nice feature. They have this active noise cancelling, this button here, and that's not just a joke, not just a child's play. It really works. I've been testing that. I went really close to my dishwasher, which is crazy loud, I can tell you. It's the loudest dishwasher I've ever had. And I didn't listen to music. I just turned on the active noise cancelling, and I think about 80 or 90% of the noise was gone.
So this active noise cancelling comes, like always, with a little bit of a trade-off. You will hear some kind of white noise in the background, but it's actually, as far as I know, with every device.
So that's definitely a feature which absolutely works, not just a big promise. That's something which really works and can be really helpful if you want to listen in a loud area, like a loud city environment or something like that. So I haven't tested this 3.5 millimeter connection, but I guess it will work. That's not rocket science or something like that. It's just good to have it, and good that it doesn't have to be always plugged in. If you want to use it, just use it. And remember, we have also this plug for the airplanes, which can be really helpful. Here on this side, again, we have the charging port, and I guess we have the microphones on both sides, and the microphones, they work really great. I would definitely say that these were the best microphones, built-in microphones on headphones which I've ever had. It's surprising that such things work really good. You remember, most of the headsets, they use this thing which goes in front of your mouse, and usually, or sometimes at least, they can be disturbing. Sometimes they cause some kind of pop noise when they are too close to your mouth. Sometimes they are really using cheap microphones. Then you have to put them directly in front of your mouth. Then you get this pop effect. Here, nothing at all. What surprised me a little bit with the phone connection, I'm going to show you that now. You can listen to that now.
To access your account, please enter your PIN, followed by the pound key.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, as you have been able to hear, it worked, but the voice was not so clear. But now I think it has just to do with the recording on the phone or whatsoever. I can't really tell you, because the voice recording on PC is much, much better. I can really tell you, and I'm going to play that now for you.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that's definitely a huge difference, and that's one of the best voice recordings which I've ever heard from any of my microphones, from any headset or earpieces or whatsoever I've been testing. So that's definitely great. If you need headset with great microphone, that could be the one for you. And as we remember, it has some really stable connection also for listening. when it comes to wearing comfort, I mean, they look great and they are heavy, means also sturdy, but they are really heavy. It's quite some weight. I mean, you can open that for large hats, but you have to know that puts quite some pressure on your ears, and the cups, the ear cups are not really big. So depending on your ear size, they will probably cover a part of your ears and putting some pressure on your ears. That also happened for me. So I don't know if I really would like to wear them for hours. For short time it was good for me, but I think if you have large ears and a large head, yeah, I don't know if they are really suitable for long days wearing it. I mean, you have to try. If you have small head size, probably not such a problem, but if you have a large or XL, that could be a problem. I mean, the cushion is good. I mean, you can see there's a lot of cushion here all the way around. Also cushion here on the top. I mean, I'm not complaining about that. It's just for my taste, it's a little bit too much pressure from the side. I mean, they are beautiful. They work really nicely. Everything works really good. I mean, they are one of the best working, or I would say the best working Bluetooth headsets which I've ever tested so far. It's just regarding the pressure here, but if you have probably small or medium head size, that could be the one for you, definitely. I mean, I've never heard about that brand, but I will definitely remember that. Here we have the name V9D. I don't know if they have another name for that, but that's really something to remember regarding sound and connection and microphone and everything. It works really good. So for me, the whole package is a huge value when we see how nicely this looks. Most is really metal, and yeah, we can even put it together like this. We can store it nicely in this travel box. That's a really nice thing. So I have to just to find out how to store it. I think, yeah, like this it works. So you can nicely take it with you and it's nicely protected. We get this airplane adapter, we get this 3.5 millimeter adapter, I mean cable, so you can use it even without Bluetooth, and here the charging cable. So overall it is one of the very best large Bluetooth headsets overall, with just really small flaws, and yeah, I can highly recommend that. That's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video, and if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. Yeah, as always, I'll put down the link to the listing of this product on Amazon down into the feedback, into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure if you can still get it for Christmas, but usually you get them pretty fast from Amazon, especially if you are on Prime. And that's it for now. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.